Do you want to be able to fix WhatsApp microphone not working? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step for it to work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for us to actually exit our WhatsApp app. So exit your WhatsApp app, and then we're going to go into our settings app instead. So go into your settings app. Now in here you need to scroll down. Keep scrolling down until you can see WhatsApp in here. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. Let's see if I can find WhatsApp, and here it is. So perfect. And as you can see, I do have my WhatsApp settings in here, as you can see. And the one that we need to look at, the only setting that you need to look at in here is the microphone setting in here. And make sure that this one is turned on. So make sure that if you already have this one turned on, for example, and it's still not working, well then actually what you can try to do is to turn this one off again and then turn on and then try again. But if it still does not work for you, well, then what you can also try to do is to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android, search for WhatsApp in here, and then try to see if there's any update button. Because if there is an update button on there, well, that means that you don't have the latest WhatsApp update and you need to update it, because that can also fix this issue, just so you know. But if it still does not work, what you can try to do after that is to restart your mobile and then try again. If the issue still consists, well then it might be something wrong with your microphone, unfortunately. Then it might be that your phone microphone right now is not working, and that could also be the issue for you, just so you know. But basically this is exactly how to fix this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.